Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. Tesla is down a little bit based off of where I bought yesterday. I wanted to provide you guys with a quick little update and also another stock that I'm paying attention to. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys do, please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel as I upload new videos every single day, and drop a thumbs up if you agree. On the 180-day chart, one of the things that I want to pinpoint out is I'm still holding my shares, and I bought a couple more shares today as Tesla sold off below $800. And the reason that I bought more is as it began to indicate signs of an uptrend. I'll show you on the 1-day, 1-minute chart. It began to make higher highs, higher lows. I added more to my position size, and then I began to sell my position as it reached these higher levels at 805, and you can see that there's a lot of consolidation. It would sell right back off. I would buy a little bit more, and then it would peak right around 805. So as of right now, the resistance level is at 805. It's doing a pretty good job trying to hold above that middle VWAP, but one of the things that I want to pinpoint, and I'm telling you this as I'm someone that's pretty heavily invested in Tesla as of right now, I still plan to only hold 250 shares. Like a lot of you guys know, I just day trade with a different dollar amount, and then I just leave the 250 shares, and those are the ones that I'm going to be holding overnight. So as of right now, again, I'm telling you this as I'm someone that's invested in Tesla. It's testing the SMA line. This is a critical point for Tesla, because if Tesla breaks below the SMA line, we have seen this before in the past where it can make lower lows and lower highs and aggressively begin to drop below that, which would not be in my favor and which would not be in Tesla's favor. But overall, big picture, what I plan to do is if that begins to happen, I'm just going to have to reduce my position size a little bit, and I'll buy more at lower price points. I'm telling you this as I'm someone that's invested. I'm not here to encourage you to buy or anything of that. As of right now, we have no confirmation on Tesla. I personally bought in way too early, so if you're under the PDT rule, if you're someone that wants to be a little bit more selective with your entry points, then of course I would encourage you to set alerts and follow up with it, maybe more when the direction is actually in our favor. And you might be like, well, Ricky, what do you mean by that? Well, when it pulled back last time after earnings, it found a support level around this general area, and then it began to indicate signs of an uptrend, broke above the EMA line, and then made higher highs and higher lows. You are correct. If you wait for the break above the EMA line, you miss out on some margin. But at the end of the day, you also could potentially miss out on entering on a very bad trade by buying in early and then it going south, right? And I'm telling you this again as I'm someone that is invested in it. So I wanted to update you guys on the overall position. I'm down $3,700 on the day with my 350 shares, and as of right now, if it breaks below the SMA line, like I said, I plan to reduce my position size. If it begins to break above the EMA line, I plan to add to my position size, and overall, I'll be holding about 250 to 300 shares of Tesla, and that's simply my plan. Now, talking about what I'm paying attention to right now, a lot of you guys noticed that GoPro had a very aggressive drop due to earnings. We've been talking about this one. It was consistently making higher highs and higher lows. It recently pulled on back, and I have all my alerts set on this one. I do have an open position on this one, very light position. It's only 200 shares, but based off of where it's at right now and based off of previous highs, that's around 32%, which is why I'm talking about it. Another one that I personally see value in, and you guys can let me know in the comment section, is, as you guys can tell, I love trading reversals. This is Kroger's ticker symbol KR. It recently pulled on back, found a support level, and is now consolidating and beginning to indicate signs of a reversal. It doesn't mean that it has to make higher highs. I just found it to be a good deal based off of where it's at right now and where it was before. So I took a light position, and if it continues to indicate signs of an uptrend, then guess what? I'll add more to my position size. So I just wanted to share the top 3 stocks that I'm paying attention to and that I'm investing as of right now. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think, and if you feel like I missed any stock that right now is currently doing and performing exceptionally well, comment that stock down below and why you personally see value in it. Also, don't forget our Learn Plan Profit group. If you want to watch me trade live every single day, that's that second link down below. But maybe if you're not ready and you want to join our free Facebook group, that's that first link in the description. We have over 305,000 members. And again, that's that first link down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you drop a thumbs up if you learned something new. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.